Hello YouTube, it's been a while, but here's another RC car that I got for a quick review here. Look at this is a monster truck body style. I think this might be very popular around the monster truck community. I'm not sure, I'm not really into this too much, but let's take a closer look right here in my trunk. What we get, this is the box. The model number is 9311E, four-wheel drive, high-speed car from the brand name DEERC, 14 years of age. Well, I guess this could go for smaller kids as well. This is the bottom of the box right here, so you can see some of the details. Requires actually not only 3 batteries. I only needed 2, so only 2 batteries required for the remote control, which is right here. Really simple plastic, lightweight, fits in one hand. I will be able to drive one-handed while recording. Just 2 batteries underneath. You can control your speed, also the trim, which is very good to have in hand. On and off switch right here. And that's about it on the box. No, not a lot of graphics as well. Comes well packed. The remote and all accessories comes right here. Comes with 2 LiPo batteries, 7.4 volts, 1500 milliamps, which should give us a very good runtime. A screwdriver, some brush to clean your car, a charger capable of 2S. Might be slow, but you get one included. This is nuts and some of small accessories and hardware. This so you can tie your nuts on the wheels. Also a tiny manual, but has what you need to get your vehicle maintained properly. Do the adjustments needed. A nice exploded diagram. I love to see these diagrams, especially if you like to change or modify anything. You need that. A parts list. And this is really cool to have in hand when you need to fix if something breaks up. So starting with the body here, lightweight construction, but yes, you have these horns which are plastic and carries some weight. So let's see how this is going to perform as we run around this parking lot. We'll go in the grass, in the dirt as well. But yeah, so let's take a look at the model itself. I like to review this in the sun so you have a better view. Starting with the wheels, not too big, regular, really tiny nuts holding up in there. There is no foam inside, at least not that I can feel. Shocks are oil filled and feels nice. Doesn't bump too much as it lands. You see it sits right there. Wheelie bars in the back, big spoiler, adjustable towers here. It's all plastic and flexible, and that's really good because it can take some abuse. So all of these plastic parts here flex and bend really well, so it's gonna be resistant. Little tiny servo right here. The motor is covered up. Okay, with the cover off, now we can see it's a brushed motor with a heatsink. This color kind of threw me off, while under this I thought it could be a brushless motor. So it is brushed. There is a heatsink, not a huge motor, as you can see. The ESC and controller are all in one single unit here. You have the lights and the servo connections all coming here. This is the lights switch right here. Really nice. And we'll see how it runs in a minute. But yeah, battery fits really well and compact. Low center of gravity is going to provide some nice ways of running this. So let's move on, put this back on, put the cover on and go for a spin. All the linkages are plastic, as you can see right here. The arms are all plastic as well. Knuckles are plastic as well, but you have a full metal drivetrain. So you see metal right here, there is metal right here, and you can hear the gears inside is all metal. So all in all, it is a really tiny little vehicle. LED lights in the front, no LEDs in the back. The construction is all plastic in the bottom as well. So really lightweight. I think it's gonna go quite fast. Let's take this cover and see what we have here. Okay, now we are ready to go. Forgot to mention, but having this pins tied to this rubberish plastic threads are really good, so you don't lose these clips all the time. I have the controller on, the car is on. Turns pretty quick. Let's see this. Oh, it does have some LED lights. I never have actually noticed this before. That's cool. And it's 4x4, so I expect all four wheels to spin. Yeah, some good speed there on the tires. So let's put this right here and let's see how it runs. Yeah, it runs pretty well. I don't see why this would be rated for, 14 years old. The car is not really that fast where a small kid wouldn't be able to control. Really cool. We'll go in the grass and in the dirt, but let's go for a straight run. I'm controlling just with one hand like I normally do while recording. So it's going straight all the way down there, turning and coming back. You can see the speed and how fast it goes. Not crazy fast, but yeah, it works. And also, as you can see, it goes really well in the grass, kicking dirt everywhere. I saved that. Oh, it just flipped. Yeah, it can happen if you get some big bumps. It's a small car. Let's keep on going. Going through the grass. There is no problem handling this parking lot, neither handling the grass. It goes really well, no problem at all. There he goes again, flipped and some dirt kicking out. Just going in the gravel. And it flipped. It's getting really dirty, like you can see, getting all this dust in the car already. Pretty dry. It's nice weather here. And there he goes again. So not terrible fast. Has nice looks. I believe this could be a gift for any age. Definitely not a 14 years old only recommended. I would think even my 4 years old would know and could drive this. Very durable, not crazy fast. Suspension is working really well. It doesn't flip as I'm turning full speed here in the parking lot. It's not flipping, so it means suspension is doing its job. Yeah, it's really, really cool. Going all the way there in the grass. Even in the grass, it's hard to flip. And really turning quickly. And it's working. Really nice. With 2 batteries, I believe you could go for a good time. Get 1 or 2 of this and do a mini race. It would be really nice. So I'm probably doing that with my kids in the future. And I just flipped once more just to end the video really well. Yeah, so this is it for this short review. It has a nice body, works pretty well. I got this it's all dirty now, just with a few minutes running it. But yeah, I hope that you liked. Controller is easy to control, and I'm having a good time. Look how nice it is. Easy to control. Even driving just with one hand, it's easy to control. Really nice. Guaranteed to have some good fun with this. Thank you very much for watching, and I see you in the next one.